Introducing a prime commercial and residential building now available in UAQ, the Northern Emirates of UAE. This impressive building, featuring a ground floor, mezzanine, and two additional levels, offering a 152 residential room, 24 commercial shops, and spacious shed. Currently, 12 commercial shops are vacant and ready for immediate occupancy. This is the inside of the shops, with 249 square feet, with also high ceiling and clear windows. Perfect for your retail outlets, offices, cafeteria, supermarkets, or more. Contact us now for more details and viewing.